Hello everyone, today we're working on a BYD Qin. The owner said both side mirrors can't fold normally. After inspection, we found the internal folding module of the mirrors is broken. Now we'll replace the parts in the workshop. Let's take a look. First, the technician removes the door trim panel and the mirror assembly, then takes apart the shell and takes out the faulty module. We install the BYD vehicle-specific folding module. It features factory-level quality and higher cost performance. At last, we put all parts back in place. The repair is successfully completed. We test the functions after installation, and the mirrors work perfectly again.